You know, the dash cam has become the quintessential safety device for any road-bearing vehicle in the 21st century. It provides you with an undisputable burden of proof that any judge or lawyer just simply cannot dispute. Even while parked, these handy devices come alive should they detect any movement or any impact to your vehicle. Now, Vantrue has an impressive line of dash cams and has recently decided to push a massive sale on its inventory. In this video, we picked 6 of the highest rated models that we think you will love. Hey guys, I'm Jim with Techie Tech News, and these are the best Vantrue Dash Cams of 2024. Links to these products will be provided in the description box below, and guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more product review videos. At Techie Tech News, we evaluate products for you, so you don't have to. Vantrue N2 Pro Best Value Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a dual-view dash cam that records what's happening on the road in front and inside the cabin in full HD. With no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, it's a straightforward dash cam that's simple to set up and use. It stands out as a dash cam for 2 reasons. One being it's an inexpensive front and inside facing dash cam that's just simple to use for all ages. And 2 being that it offers reliable video quality. It has been on the market for a couple of years now, but now the price has been dropped by quite a bit. And again, we do have to stress that it is simple, so features like GPS and voice recognition are not available. Also, it's certainly not going to win any aesthetic design awards either. Here are some of the details. That said, the quality of the camera footage does make this model a serious contender if you're after 2 cameras for the price of 1. When recording in front-only mode, the footage is captured at 2.5K at 30 frames per second, which allows you to record clear license plates and objects on the road. Or you can switch to 1920 by 1080p at 60 frames mode for smoother videos at highway traffic speeds. Now, the front camera has a 170-degree field of view, while the interior is rated at 140 degrees. And for those of you in the taxi or ride-sharing business, the interior cam is also equipped with an infrared lighting system to help you see in dark interiors. Its equipped 24 hours parking mode will also activate should it detect shock to the car, recording everything in its view. And in the future, if you need to find more tech deals, simply visit TechieTechDeals.com. Vantrue N2X Best Parental Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2X captures both on-the-road footage like a traditional dash cam, as well as the interior of the car, giving you recorded evidence of whatever takes place in the back seat. The N2X uses high-quality infrared vision with a high-definition recording in 2.7K and 1080p for amazing clarity that can save your bacon should something come up. The N2X uses the Sony Starvis 2 sensor to achieve this level of resolution, making it one of the most advanced dashcam systems on the market. Many rideshare drivers have relied on the Vantrue N2X as their go-to dash cams. With the new N2X, Vantrue has significantly improved the camera, especially with how user-friendly the camera is. It also incorporates Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and LTE connectivity, making it easier to log hours, rates, and trips. Here are some of those specifications. Now, the built-in Wi-Fi gives the driver easy smartphone connectivity without having to remove the memory card. Now, this simplifies the process of viewing, downloading, and sharing videos. While the 4G LTE module, which is optional, also gives you the ability to access the dashcam remotely, allowing you to keep track of whoever's in the car at any time as you wished. This adds an extra layer of security, especially when your vehicle is parked out of sight. Vantrue made sure to give the N2X app support that provides quicker access to video footage and settings via your smartphone, making it easier to manage and share recordings. So whether you're a concerned parent or you're in the ride-sharing market, this is definitely the unit for you. Vantrue S1 Pro Best Minimal Size Dash Cam. The Vantrue S1 Pro represents a neat little bundle, with separate camera units, GPS, 4K recording and dual adjustable cameras. Its main camera's vertical form factor helps it blend in with your rearview mirror and helps to minimize the visual distraction of the unit, unlike some of those other gaudy models that you'll find on the market. Vantrue's quality is upheld here, like the rest of the other models on the list. This mid-range system packs a few big features, including 4K recording when you're using the front camera by itself, or 1080p when both cameras are recording. It also sports Sony's StarVis sensor, which produces incredible clarity when recording no matter the condition. Of course, the S1 Pro is also kitted out with all the standard dash cam features, such as accident detection and parking guard, both of which will start recording when it detects collision or any incidents through either motion or by impact. Here are some of the details. Now, the 24/7 parking guard requires a hardwire connection. There is also a time-lapse mode that offers a speedy highlight reel of your road trips, but we would guess that you wouldn't use that frequently. The S1 Pro's menu system was a pleasant surprise, with a simple rolling menu and context-sensitive buttons labeled throughout. Overall, the camera's quality is exceptional with some diminishing returns at night, but that's obviously to be expected. The interior sound pickup will not win awards either, but it works well, with every word being understood. As it stands, with general sharp and clear image audio quality, we believe that this S1 Pro is a fantastic mid-range contender. Vantrue F1 Motorcycle. Best dash cams for motorcycles. While the motorcycle crowd sure do love their action cams, there is still a big market for those who want a reliable way to record their travels in case of accidental collision or encounters with law enforcement. The F1 offers an excellent means of front and rear mounting cameras that can be orientated in any way the rider wishes. It has a built-in Sony StarVis sensor that simultaneously records up to 4K front and 1080p rear resolution, capturing every moment on the road with clarity. And with 160 degrees of front and rear camera angles, you can greatly reduce blind spots and provide more than 3 lanes of traffic to capture even more detail. And it's robust too. With an IP67 waterproof and dust rating, you can rest assured that your investment will remain reliable in any climate or environment. Here are some of the specifications. Included is a wired remote control, which can be controlled via voice guidance. You can also be given a voice prompt indicating an error with your memory card or when the camera indicates a possible emergency situation. Once the built-in 3-axis G sensor detects a collision, the current video will be locked into an event folder, ensuring that important footage is protected. When the memory card is full, a new video will automatically overwrite the oldest video. It supports up to 512GB memory card. It also supports over-the-air firmware updates on the Vantrue app to improve performance and update features. Its built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to preview videos, change camera settings, and quickly download riding videos directly on your phone through the app, and even supports one-click sharing. It truly is one of the best dash cams for bikes that we have ever seen. Vantrue N4 III. Best value 4K dash cam. At just over 4 inches long and 1.5 inches deep and wide, the flattened cylindrical N4 is a bit on the large size, and it has to be to fit both the front and interior cameras, as well as that crisp 2.45-inch IPS color display. It's not a monster by any means though. The entire deal is powered by another USB-C port that is on the mount. The nub for that port is also served as a handle to rotate the mechanism to help secure the suction cup to the windscreen. Now, the front camera is a 1260p 30 frames per second camera when recorded by itself, with a field of view of 155 degrees, but it will drop to 1440p when both the interior and rear cameras are also in use. Now, both the interior and rear cameras record in 1080p, with the interior camera offering a 165 degrees field of view, with the rear being 160 degrees field of view. All 3 cameras feature Sony StarVis sensors, which will offer you great day and night performance. Here are some of the specifications. There are 4 infrared lights surrounding the vertical swiveling interior camera to augment night captures in the cabin. The N4 offers 3 parking modes as well: motion detection using the camera, impact detection using the G sensor, and a low resolution 720p at 15 frames per second continuous capture mode. There is also a time-lapse image capture feature to save on storage space. Overall, the 1440p with 1080p quality is better than expected, though we have noticed that Vantrue seems to opt for smoothness over sharpness in processing the captures. The N4 III has a slew of features, such as heated resistant supercapacitors for extending battery life at extreme temperatures, auto collision recording to ensure no accidents are missed or overlooked, the ability to add a GPS module for real-time vehicle tracking, along with infrared interior night vision mode. Now, this unit was almost $300 not even a month ago, and now it's being sold for only $200. It is a steal. Vantrue N4 Pro 3 Best Premium 4K Dash Cam. With 3 cameras included in Vantrue's N4 Pro, also known as the Nexus 4 Pro, can keep a comprehensive eye on just about every angle, with the ability to record the road ahead, the cabin's passengers, and out and back for parking and oncoming traffic. That easily makes it one of the best dash cams that you could buy right now. That expanded field of view from each lens helps take in a lot of territory, and the unit's ultra-wide display shows it all. Now, the only real downside to the N4 Pro 3 is the fact that you have to hide the rear camera's cable, and luckily it's only a one-time affair. On the upside, however, you could use the mobile app or Windows and Mac to view the N4 Pro 3's videos and share it with friends. Here are some of its specifications. Now, the Vantrue N4 Pro seems to do it all. 3 cameras for front to back coverage, as well as excellent video and a large display on the windshield's main mounted unit. The N4 Pro's ability to see what's going on in front, inside, and out back is invaluable, particularly for rideshare drivers or harried parents. Sony's Starvis 2 sensor allows for some incredible night vision footage, bringing all that HDR security from camera to courtroom in a pinch. It comes with 5G Wi-Fi, 4 24/7 parking mode protections, a built-in G sensor to detect collisions, over-the-air firmware updates, built-in GPS, and even smart voice controls for hand-free control. Not to mention that there are additional add-ons to further improve the N4 Pro 3's performance range to your desire. It's the ultimate dash cam system that will satisfy anyone's needs. It has seen a massive price drop and comes highly recommended and well rated on Amazon. Folks, we hope you've enjoyed this video and have learned the details that you need to make an informed decision. It's a well-reviewed list of Vantrue Dash Cams, with one being right for you. Still, if you're unsure as which model that you should choose, just comment down below and I will personally assist you. Everybody has their own unique challenges, and I would love to help problem solve them with you. And please let us know which Vantrue Dash Cam you would choose. Links to these items will be posted in the video description box below, and please, when you're done, check out the next video.